Okay, so this will be video one of kind of a startup cost for a business. We'll use it to do some different kinds of math. Let's say we have a lawn mowing business, and you can probably start thinking about what kind of costs we might have. So let's say we have a trailer, we have mowers, we have trimmers and blowers, we have other tools, chainsaw. Gotta have a chainsaw. You never know. Just general supplies. Of course, we need a truck. Alright. Gotta have something to pull all this stuff with. So, we're just gonna pick. I kind of been playing with some numbers. I'm not saying these is totally accurate. You kind of get what you pay for. You got $1,500 for a trailer. We're gonna start out with some pretty, maybe some used mowers. We need a couple. You got to have a backup. You got to have a large one. You got to have a small one. You never know if you're gonna be doing this work by yourself. Trimmers, $300. Leaf blower. Let's go. We need gas powered leaf blowers. Other tools. Rakes and shovels and all kinds of stuff. Got to have your chainsaw. We'll put $250 on that. And other supplies. You got gloves and gas cans and all kinds of things, trash bags, tools, tarps, all kinds of stuff. And a truck, we're not going to skimp out on our truck too bad. We need a decent truck. It is have a business name on the side of it, okay, and you want to get new customers. So all this stuff, if you were to add it up, it comes out to $10,150. So that's a pretty good sized startup. You need some money. If you were to borrow that money, you could get a loan, or save for it ahead of time. It takes a long time to save $10,000. So let's use this to work some percents. Okay, so what I want to do is we want to find out what percentage of our total. This is our total. We'll call this our total costs. What percentage of our total costs is the trailer? Okay, so we would divide. So we'd say 1,500, and we would divide that by 10,150. We get 0.14778. We're going to round that to 15%. Why? And this is a little bit of a rounding lesson. All right. So when we're talking about money, we're talking about percentages. We're going to work to this place here. Okay, that is the hundredths place. Because this number to the right of it is 5 or more, it'll make that number go up. If this number were a 4, we would keep this number. So some of my business math students will be familiar with this. It's 5 or more, let it soar. So in other words, soar meaning go up. 1, 5. If it's 4 or less, let it rest. So we would leave the 4 alone. If that number to the right of it were a 4 or less, let it rest. 5 or more, let it soar. So we've got 0.15 equals 15%. Okay, the way we got this is we multiplied 0.15 times 100 in your calculator, you'll have 15. Then you just add the percentage sign. Okay, that's how you change a decimal to a percent. I'm going to do this a lot. You just need to remember that. Okay. So if we were to do the rest of these, well, that's going to be the assignment. You're going to do the rest of these. All right, so that's enough for now. So you need to go out and divide the cost of the trailer. We already did that one. 1,500 divided by 10,150, which is our total cost. You're going to get a percent. You're going to then round it based upon the hundredths place right here. And you're going to record that and answer questions. All right.